Hello, patrons of the Origsburg Library. Today we're going to read a book called A Fledgling by Robert J. Blake. And this is a Philomel book. I am the one who must go first. I am afraid. I set my feet. I shake my wings. I jump off into the air. I only made it to a ledge, but I almost flew. I set my feet again. I shake my wings. I push off into the air. I can do it. I can fly. Suddenly, there's something behind me. It's a hawk, and it's after me. I must find somewhere that it will not go. Down here? Not so sure. That's a good spot. In here? Probably not a good place. Ugh, not here. Too many people. Out of here. But now I'm lost. Where is home? I hear my family call, "Kee, kee." I answer, "Kee, kee." I am home. The end. So this was a book about a young bird's first flight. If you like stories about birds, we've got plenty. So come on into the library with your favorite adult, their library card, and you can check out a book that's just right for you. Have a great day.